behind their pillar. I think we've got everybody. Everybody's here behind the pillar. Now, next conversation I want you to, you've had a very short conversation about your pillar. Next thing I want you to do is have another conversation. Asking you about social systems and how you can stimulate your social system. So, what I want you to do is think about.
I'm from Australia. Okay, you're right. Thank you. So my name's Charlie Allen, and I'm a peace builder from Melbourne in Australia. My organisation is called Space Melbourne. I'm here representing the Institute for Economics and Peace. And what we've been exploring this afternoon is the concept of positive peace. The exercise that we just undertook involves the 8 pillars of positive peace. And what we did was demonstrate how the pillars are reliant upon each other by making connections between those pillars. So the participants got to feel the strength of a strong social system, but also demonstrated the fragility of peace. So if one of the pillars of positive peace falls over, then that strength is lost, and that integrity in the system is lost. Thank you.
Thank you. To do is we're going to move. We're going to move from this room, and we're going to go out into the grass quadrangle. So we're going to go out of the room, through the restaurant. There's some glass doors. There'll be some people to shepherd you out there. When you go down to that glass quadrangle, you will see your pillar